Hi there, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care. Here at Ultimate Floor Care, what we do is we try and make your life a hell of a lot easier. We've all been in that scenario when we're going through so many abrasives trying to take the bitumen and tar off pine floorboards or parquet. So what we here at Ultimate Floor Care have done is we've worked very closely with our distributor partner that works with Diamabrush to create this. So this is basically the hardwood tool, but they've added blades to make it a softwood tool. So this will work with pine, removing bitumen or any other ceramic coatings on a softwood floor. The way it works is it will move around on the floor, cutting it away with the blades, and while it doesn't clog up the machine with dust, it simply disperses it off the side of the machine, as you can see in this video here. Now also, when you're buying one of these machines, you have different clutch plates to make this tool fit your machine, and they can range from anything from the Palmer Spider, the Flexi, one to fit pneumatic machines, one to fit the Clindex Rocky machines as well. Now, as well as the clutch plates, you may have to have a riser, depending on the spacing you have between where your clutch plate fits onto your machine and the bottom of your machine. We also sell them. Now, we have a huge list of different tools and which clutch plate you need to make this tool fit your machine. So just give us a call, drop us a message, and we'll be able to find out which clutch plate suits yours. If you're interested in this, just give us a shout.